Shifting our focus now, this Diwali, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be celebrating the 9th edition of Ayodhya Deepotsav with families in Nishad and slum colonies. The move highlights a community-focused celebration as the festival promises to light up the city while engaging directly with residents from all walks of life. My colleague Sapna Shukla is joining us live from Ayodhya. Sapna, in some time from now, the celebrations, the Deepotsav is going to begin. First of all, take us through what you see around you. What is the celebration looking like? Another Guinness Book of World Records is what Uttar Pradesh is eyeing. Ayodhya is eyeing this Diwali.
First of all, happy Diwali, Greha. Happy Diwali to you, to all our viewers. Right now, I'm standing in Ram Katha Park, where Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, will going to do the tilak of Prabhu Shri Ram, Mother Janaki, and along with him the whole family of Prabhu Shri Ram. Exactly same picture what we see when we read Ramcharitmanas. Exactly those things I can witness today. What I have read in Ramcharitmanas, the way Prabhu Shri Ram came back from after 14 years Vanvas from Lanka, along with Ma Janaki, with Lakshman ji, and everyone is there to welcome him. You can see in the picture, you are getting the pictures also, that Prabhu Shri Ram has came here, and there is a chariot. This chariot is being taken from by the CM Yogi Adityanath only. And right now, where I am standing here are other sons also there. The sons are here. All the people, all the important people from Ayodhya are here. And every time, this is the 9th edition, Greha. I'm witnessing it for the 4th or 5th time. This is the 9th edition. You can see in the pictures, if my camera person can show you, Prabhu Shri Ram, along with Ma Janaki, with Lakshman ji, he is there with his whole family on the stage. Now here, CM Yogi Adityanath, along with the Tourism Minister, Jaiveer Singh, is going to do the tilak of Prabhu Shri Ram and the whole family of Prabhu Shri Ram. Greha, let me tell you that we all the people who have just read the Ramcharitmanas, we have just read those words, what happened there when Prabhu Shri Ram came back. I can witness all that thing because government always try that the people, today's generation, they should know what happened exactly in Ayodhya. And even where I am, it is along on the banks of Saryu Ghat. Exactly the same scene which I have read when Prabhu Shri Ram came back, and what was the whole scenario of Ayodhya. Everyone is lighting up the diyas. The main event, the Deepotsav event, it will happen at around 8 or 8:30 p.m. But before that, this is a very important event which you are witnessing by my camera, that Prabhu Shri Ram along with his family, with his teacher Guru Vashisht is there, and now Yogi Adityanath will go tilak him and will welcome him by doing the aarti of him and Prabhu Shri Ram, and along with his family. All the sons from Ayodhya, they are here
And
to welcome
we are
Prabhu
also
Shri
putting
Ram.
out that very interesting visual for our viewers. Before the chariot arrived, we also saw the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, was one of the few who was pulling that chariot as Sri Ram and Mata Sita, they go ahead and arrive in Ayodhya, and the entire Deepotsav is all set to commence. More on this as well, Sapna.
It's a very beautiful scene which I have witnessed, and very beautifully you have also done this. In Hindu religion, Greha, it's kind of ritual. It is said that Prabhu Shri Ram pulled everyone's chariot of life. They are the supreme lord of this universe. They hold all of our chariot. They pulled our life. But if you are the most, I can say, fortunate person on this planet, you got the chance to pull the chariot of Prabhu Shri Ram. That is the pratha, that is the ritual which is performed by by CM Yogi Adityanath. It symbolizes that मैं अगर हिंदी में कहूँ कि हमारी डोर प्रभु श्री राम के हाथ में है, लेकिन ये सौभाग्य जन्मों में मिलता है कि जब आप प्रभु श्री राम का रथ खींचते हैं तो आपकी डोर अपने आप उनके हाथ में चली जाती है. This symbolizes this. Now see, Greha, witnessing here from Ayodhya seriously gives me goosebumps. Which the picture when we open the Ramcharitmanas, if you have opened the Ramcharitmanas, you will see that picture, the whole Ram Darbar is there. This picture which you are seeing right now, Greha, this is called Ram Darbar, where the tilak of Prabhu Shri Ram, now officially Shri Ram is the officially king of Ayodhya Dham with his queen Janaki ji, and along with him all of his brothers are there. Shatrughan is there, Bharat is there, Lakshman is there, and while he was going to the jungle for 14-year Vanvas, Hanumanji was not there. But when he came back, he get his the most auspicious bhakt, the most special bhakt. Till now, in our Hindu Vedas, it is said that if any of the god still is there on the earth, that is Hanumanji. He is sitting beside there, you can see. It's a very beautiful scene. One by one, after CM Yogi Adityanath, the tourism minister will come. He will do the tilak champat raya. You can see he is doing the tilak.
Welcome for Shri Ram and Mata Sita by the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. That aarti that's currently underway. Sapna, thank you so much for bringing us all of these live shots as we see Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on the stage. He was also pulling that chariot, and you see the arrival of Shri Ram and Mata Sita along with Shri Hanuman. All of that we see happening at the stage on Ayodhya, at Ayodhya right now. The Deepotsav is also set to commence. We also are told, Sapna, that 26 lakh diyas today are set to dazzle Ayodhya. You can see these visuals and you can see the kind of faith that is on full display. A beautiful visual where we see the arrival of Shri Ram right a day ahead of Deepavali. The Deepotsav is going to be celebrated in Ayodhya, and Ayodhya is eyeing at the second Guinness record in the grandest Deepotsav ever. 26 lakh diyas, we are told, is set to be illuminated today, and this will be talking about the monumental Deepotsav 2025 celebrations, where the city will be attempting to set a new Guinness Book of World Records by lighting these diyas. So today is that day. There is a lot that is expected to come in from Ayodhya, as Ayodhya is basking in the divine glow to mark the 9th edition of Deepotsav. And this will be, of course, at the temple town that is getting ready to attempt yet another Guinness records. We're talking about more than 26 lakh diyas. You can see a very, very jubilant Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in your frames. Earthen lamps that will be illuminated this evening at Ayodhya. The entire Ayodhya lights up for Deepavali. We're leaving you with these visuals as we go into a very short break.